Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard, so for example messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and now all we have to do is to enter the settings which are in this upper panel, so let's tap. Now let's enter the languages. And this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours. You can enter the name of it here in this searching panel. So let's find it and tap on it. And now we can choose the keyboard type, the keyboard layout. So just mark the option you'd like to use and it will be applied. I would like to use this one, so let me leave it like this, tap on done, and as you can see the language has been immediately applied. Now we can go back to the keyboard because I'd like to show you how to use it with two different languages. Of course, here we've got also the hint of how to do it, so that's nice. Basically all we have to do is to use this globe icon, so it will allow us to change the keyboard layout. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So now let me show you how to remove the language, so you will be able to leave only one of those languages. Let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this list we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language we want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.